Welcome back to Hot Car Track. Here we are, ladies and gentlemen. This is the grand final of Vantastic 2021. EnZed, we started this competition on the 19th of August 2021, and we're almost at the very end. What do you reckon?
Well, 4 months. 4 months of vans from all over the world coming here to Sydney, Australia to race at Mount Western Raceway on Shorty. This is just brilliant. We're down to 4, and we're about to find out who's going to take out the grand final.
Yeah, that's right, EnZed. We are so fortunate to have one of the largest collections of custom-built vans I've ever seen, especially right here racing on Shorty, Mount Western Raceway out of Sydney, Australia. Okay, EnZed, let's have a look at our teams for tonight.
Well, here we go. Power Drive Racing out of California, USA. 2 vans in the grand final. Well done, mate. First of all, Marianne in the 97 gram Spy van, and also DJ Triple J in the 96 gram Oh Sheila.
Next up, showing some very late form, Mr. Scorpio Love Smith driving for 100 Proof Racing in Free Hugs. This one weighs 100 grams. Good luck, team. And the very last tonight is Speedy G driving for G4 Diecast Racing in Gold Rush. This one's weighing 80.8 grams. Good luck, everyone. May the best team and driver win. Vantastic 2021, the grand final.
Ladies and gentlemen, may I have your attention, please? All 4 vans are at the starting grid, ready to go, and we're about to watch the grand final of 2021 Vantastic.
Ladies and gentlemen, there we go, the very last race in Vantastic 2021.
We started off with 80 vans back in August. 4 months later, we're now looking at the winner. Marianne from Power Drive Racing, congratulations, you've made it.
There really wasn't much in this tonight. I thought Scorpio Love Smith driving for 100 Proof really just would have evened this out, but look, this is the lay of the land right here on Shorty and Diecast Racing. It's anyone's battle once they take off from the top and hit that finish line.
100 Proof Racing did well to pick Scorpio Love Smith as their driver. He drove at 110% tonight. He finished every race. He went hard in that Free Hugs Friday van. However, the aggressive driving was just not quite enough to get past Marianne there. But well done there, Scorpio, for the silver medal. Good on you.
It's a real testament to the builders around the globe that have sent cars in to race in this tournament. We started with 80 and now we have a winner and we have the top 4. So congratulations to everyone that has participated in this event. For without your support, none of this would have been possible. Also to EnZed, a big thank you to you, mate, for co-hosting this event. I salute you and raise my glass to you. Once again, to all the fans and to all the supporters of Diecast Racing, thanks for watching. Also, a big thank you goes to Marc D from Cut Rock Racing and Po Boy Racing, who are our race stewards for this. They really coordinated the whole race event.
And here we have it on the podium right now, holding the trophy high above her head. Driving for Power Drive Racing based in California, USA, driving the Sean Connery 007 tribute band is Marianne. Well done. Your life will never be the same. You're surrounded by your fans, competitors, and paparazzi. Congratulations.
Once again, a very big thank you to Scorpio Love Smith driving for 100 Proof Racing, Speedy G driving for G4 Diecast Racing, and DJ Triple J driving for Power Drive Racing. Congratulations on making it through to the grand final. Commiserations on not taking out the top spot. You've made it this far. You've got to applaud yourself. Thank you so much.
Ladies and gentlemen, I'll just grab your attention for a moment, and Simon, you don't need to edit this out. Throw it in. I just want to show my personal appreciation here for all the hard work that Hot Car Track has gone through for the filming and editing of Vantastic. This guy's done late nights, early mornings. He's probably supported a small country with the amount of coffee that he's drunk. God knows how much red wine he's gone through. He's helped myself, the stewards. He's asked questions to make sure this is run smoothly. Just absolutely brilliant. Simon, thanks, mate. You're a legend.
Well, thank you, NZ. I really appreciate that. Now, team celebrations are at the Inferno nightclub. I have the company credit card, so let's go wild. I hope to see you all there.
Well, just like that, ladies and gentlemen, it's over, done and dusted. I'm heading down to the Inferno for a few free cold ones, and I hope you guys join us as well. Hope to see you all again on the track soon. This is Mike from EnZed Racing. I'll catch you later. Hey, Po Boy, you coming?
Well, that's a wrap from Vantastic 2021. Once again, thank you everyone for watching and contributing to such a fantastic program. And by the way, this is the last time you see Shorty. She's being ripped down and replaced by another track in a few weeks. Until next time, catch you later.